In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a payment receipt from Wise. This process is quite straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you get your receipt without any hassle. First, to get started, open the Wise app or website on your device. If you haven't already logged in, make sure to do so with your credentials. Logging in is crucial because it allows you to access your account details and ensures that all the actions you take are secure and personalized. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your accounts. Take a moment to navigate through these and click on the account for which you need the payment receipt. This is important because each account can contain different transactions and you want to make sure you're focusing on the right one. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the account page where you'll notice three little dots. These dots are your gateway to additional menu options, so go ahead and click on them. In doing so, you'll open a drop-down menu, and from here, you'll want to select Statements and Reports. This section is dedicated to providing you with detailed records of your transactions, so it's exactly what we're looking for. Now, with Statements and Reports opened, click on Statement. This brings you to a page where you can customize the specifics of your receipt. Here, feel free to select the exact date or date range for which you need a receipt. This feature is particularly useful if you're looking to track down receipts from specific transactions over a time span, like for monthly or quarterly reports. Additionally, notice that you have the option to choose a file format. Whether you prefer a PDF, CSV, or another type of file, select the format that best suits your needs. PDFs are great for a polished and professional look, while CSVs are excellent if you need to upload the data to spreadsheet software for further analysis. Another useful customization available here is the language option. Pick the language you're most comfortable with to make interpreting the statement seamless. Finally, with your selections made, go ahead and click on Download. The system will then generate your statement in the background, and once it's ready, it will automatically start downloading to your device. You may want to check your Downloads folder to ensure it's been successfully saved. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can access and download your Wise payment receipts with ease, ensuring all your financial records are in order and readily available. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more handy tutorials like this one.